Guys, if you are tired of constantly running to the bathroom, if you are tired of standing there waiting for your urine stream to start, if you are tired of the urine dribble, and if you are tired of waking up 2, 3, even 4 times a night to pee, I get it. It's frustrating, it's embarrassing, and it makes you feel like your body isn't yours anymore. Now, most men are told the same thing. It's your prostate that's enlarged. Then they're handed a pill, recommended an expensive surgery, or just told to live with it. But here's the truth, guys. Your problem is not only your enlarged prostate. It's how your bladder, your pelvic floor muscles, your nervous system, and daily habits, how they are all working together. If you do not fix the entire system, the symptoms, they keep coming back, regardless of the pills, regardless of the surgeries. Now, you've probably tried supplements, you've cut out caffeine, you've cut out some alcohol, you've changed your diet, but nothing has seemed to fix the root cause of the problem. And the reason's simple. Most men try to fix everything, but in the wrong order. Or they do the right things, not in the right amount at the right time. And without a plan, you are always guessing. Meanwhile, the urgency, the slow urine stream, the urine dribble, and the nighttime waking, they continue. And that is why I built the 21-day Prostate Relief Challenge. This is not another supplement or quick fix, gentlemen. It's a structured step-by-step system designed to help you take back control in 7 minutes a day, backed by the latest research for helping you manage your enlarged prostate symptoms. Now, over the next 21 days, I will coach you through 3 phases: diet and supplements to reduce your inflammation, hydration and bladder training to improve emptying and to reduce nighttime waking up, and third and finally, exercise and pelvic floor training to strengthen your urine flow, your control, and your confidence. Every lesson, it builds on the last. We stack habits, we follow the right actions in the right order, and you track everything inside your workbook so that you can actually see your progress. This challenge is for the man who is ready to do the work, the man who does not want to rely on medication for the rest of their life, and for the man who wants real lasting relief. So, if that's you, this is your moment. The 21-day Prostate Relief Challenge is open right now and you can start today. 7 minutes a day, 21 days in a row, a clear plan to help you reduce urgency, to help you sleep through the night, to stop the urine dribble, improve your urine stream, and to feel in control of your bladder and your body again. Guys, click the link below, join the challenge, download your workbook, and let us get to work. You've waited long enough. It is time to fix these problems once and for all. Oh, and as a thank you for all your support over the years, if you use code ERIC20 at checkout, you will save yourself 20% off. Guys, I'll see you inside the challenge.